Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
So today, for our adventure, we're headed up to Newaygo.
All right.
Yeah, so we're doing a video edition trail ride with the Grand Rapids Jeep Club. So hopefully everybody enjoys the ride. We're gonna try and get as many clips for you guys today. So hopefully enjoy the video. Bye.
Bye.
Well, good morning. How's everybody doing? What we're gonna be doing is probably a shortened version of our normal Newaygo ride. If you guys have been on it before,
I almost hit delete.
if we do the whole thing, our shorter version, it's 15 miles. The last time we did it was an hour and a half. Would typically look like from this video. So hopefully it's really interesting. So I haven't been down this trail yet this year, just because these trails just opened up April 1st. So I'm gonna assume, if I had to take a guess, it's probably not overgrown yet because nothing is grown, right? And it's mainly been snowmobilers down these trails, so I'm gonna assume it's pretty open. If we encounter stuff we gotta cut down, we got a chainsaw, so not too big of a deal. It's pretty relaxed, pretty chill. We're just gonna have a good time. Make sure that you keep the guy behind you in your sight. Typical thing for trail riding. Yeah, if you don't feel comfortable with something, just let us know. We'll help you through it. We'll spot you if you have questions. Just like any other normal ride. All right, so let's have a good time. If you guys have any questions, just radio over to us. Let us know. I'll grab you guys' radio in a second. I'll bring it over. Let's go.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Sunk it. Dennis, what you doing?
We're gonna get our Jeep brother out of the mud.
Who's going for a dip?
Not me.
Not me either. The hook, potentially.
That's a real woman right there.
It's
I like it. Oh yeah, it's deep.
Cold.
Oh my God,
It's deep too. It's mosquito infested. Just
so
chunk.
much to spend with it.
Yeah, you're good. Hey, Shum.
Should have went in for it.
It's a popsicle. This is the kind of junk that you encounter on a stupid mud hole on a trail. What's your thoughts, Ryan?
It's not gonna go well.
Hi there. It was perfect.
You're getting out.
Did it lean as hard as it looked?
No.
Really?
It started,
It
started to
Yeah.
slide, and I was like, "Oh, there we go!" And then he got
You throttled perfect time. What's going on here, Jen?
Well, apparently I'm just holding the freedom top up in the air.
What safari leader we have here? Here with Danny Chastain with Overlandicons. How's it going, man?
Good.
Dude, isn't this ride great?
Yeah, I like this.
Couldn't be much better of a day. All right, that was our ride today. What'd you guys think?
Yeah!
All right, so it sounds like everybody had a great time. We had a couple people that got stuck in a couple ruts, a couple mud holes.
There was a
but
tire there.
yeah,
There was the tire.
were we even trying if we didn't get stuck, right? So yeah, I had a fun time. Hope you guys did too.
Family
Yeah, so we had a really good group out here today doing this video edition. I know it was probably pretty painful to have to stop, go, and get through this, but hopefully it's worth it to make this edit for you guys. Hopefully it turns out good. Part of the Grand Rapids Jeep Club, we're trying to do a lot more trail rides, so hopefully you guys enjoy this and that we can do more stuff like this. Maybe not exactly like this one. We'll just maybe film some of the other ones, not just specifically video edition. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. We got lots of rides coming up. Check out the website for more rides that we have posted. We have pretty much every ride that we're planning to do at the current moment as of, what's today? April 15th, planned for the year. So everything that we're planning to do is currently posted. There is the chance for a couple more rides to get posted that we're talking about adding, so stay tuned for those. Till then, this was fun.
Yeah,
you guys enjoy?
You can't get mud on your Jeep staying at the mall, I'm just saying. Great time.
Thank you to our lead and to our tail.
Yes. Thank you.
Anybody else got anything you'd like to
Tell 'em what your
say?
favorite part of the ride was.
What was your favorite part, bud?
Tell him. Look in the camera and tell him your favorite part.
Getting stuck in the mud.
Getting stuck in the mud? Yeah. We'll cut to that clip now.
Let's run the winches.
Danny, what's your thoughts, brother?
Whose
How was-
line
did
is
you
it
have
anyway?
fun?
Yeah, I did. But I got a heavy rig, so I had to play a little bit different today.
It's good. It's a good learning experience.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you guys for all of you for coming out. I mean, honestly, we couldn't do it without you. So we appreciate it. Thanks for showing up and having a good time and working with us.
You know what, Kyle? I think everybody here is walking away with new friends and a long list of mods that they want to do.
Exactly. That's right.
Going on
Making
right.
people spend money.
Yeah, keep making them heavy. That way I won't be the only one getting stuck into it.
Cool.
The list never ends. There's always something else.
That's right. Awesome. Well, thanks, guys. We're going to check out of here.
Get
Bye.
I'm super excited.
So is this blue piece part of your snorkel or no?
That just covers up the hole
Not
where
on.
the snorkel was.
No, not on at all.
I wanted to make it
not.
like a
It
gear,
is.
but I ain't
Is
that good
it?
at cutting.
Yeah. Okay, so everybody knows and realizes this is a video edition ride, right? Everybody's good with that? Okay.
What? No way.
Okay. Sake.
So at some point I kind of like to make a blooper video, but a serious video for me.
Yeah.
You can send it to me.
Yeah.
Like a on the trail. Oops, I gotta go to the bathroom. I pull out my overlanding poop bucket and my lid, and I'm running, and you know what I'm saying, I'll set up. That way I can say, hey, this is how quick you could do this show.
Yeah.
And it's like a porta on to go.
Exactly.
So if I need to use a bathroom,
I got you, girl.
all right. I like it.
I got soft toilet paper and all, you know. So I got a baby little girl, you know what I mean? She likes it nice and fluffy like a princess.
That's good to know.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'd have been way too mean with boys. God knew what he was doing. Like, no, we got to kill you, girl, dude. You're gonna beat them little boys. Just kidding.
Don't take him seriously.
There's also somebody else is on 21 this morning when we came in here, and I don't know what's no something about farming.
Oh, definitely not us.
Yeah, that was us. Yeah, let me grow, man.
Something about nice rack, and I'm like,
That was us.
That was us.
oh, there we go.
That's funny.
Well, somebody else was in there too.
I knew I should have turned mine on.
No, it's definitely us.
What you got there, bud? Got me a tire.